Imagine a world where magic is real. Now open your eyes, because you're living in it. Chemical reactions are the closest thing to magic we have in our world. This isn't some mystical hocus-pocus kind of magic, but the real, tangible, observable kind. You see, chemical reactions are processes that lead to the transformation of one set of chemical substances to another. They're happening all around us all the time. That's right. Every moment of every day, there's a chemical reaction taking place. It could be as simple as your body breaking down food for energy, or as complex as the process that fuels the sun. These reactions, often unseen, constantly shape our world, affecting everything from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Just like magic, chemical reactions can transform one thing into another, creating something entirely different from what we started with. Chemical reactions are not confined to laboratories or industrial factories. They are part of our everyday lives. Take, for instance, the simple act of baking a cake. It might seem like a straightforward process, but it's actually a series of fascinating chemical reactions. When you mix baking powder or baking soda with an acid, like vinegar or lemon juice, they react to produce carbon dioxide. This is what causes the dough to rise and give your cake that fluffy texture. But the chemistry of baking doesn't stop there. Ever wondered what gives a cake its golden brown crust? That's another chemical reaction at play, known as the Maillard reaction. When you bake a cake, the heat causes the sugars and proteins in the dough to react, creating that enticing brown crust and delicious aroma. Now let's step outside the kitchen to another common example, the rusting of iron. This is a slow chemical reaction between iron, water, and oxygen from the air. The iron reacts with the oxygen to form iron oxide, or what we commonly refer to as rust. It's fascinating, isn't it? These chemical reactions are happening all around us, often without us even realizing it. They're in the meals we cook, the cars we drive, even in the air we breathe. So, next time when you see a rusted iron gate or enjoy a fresh-baked cake, remember, you're witnessing the magic of chemical reactions. While some chemical reactions are quiet and almost unnoticeable, others are loud, bright, and impossible to ignore. Let's delve into the realm of these visually impressive spectacles. A prime example is the thermite reaction, a process known for its dramatic display. A mix of metal powder, typically aluminum, and a metal oxide, often iron oxide, ignites to create a dazzling shower of sparks, intense heat, and a molten iron product. This is not just a flashy show. The thermite reaction is an exothermic process, meaning it releases energy, mostly in the form of heat and light. This is why we see the bright light and feel the warmth. The loud sound, on the other hand, comes from the rapid expansion of air around the reaction. So, what we're seeing is not just an incredible display of fireworks, but a real-life example of chemistry in action. These reactions may seem like fireworks, but they're just another example of the magic of chemistry. Understanding chemical reactions is not just about appreciating the magic around us. It's also about harnessing that magic to create, innovate, and solve problems. Grasping these reactions can lead to groundbreaking advancements in numerous fields. Picture the development of new medicines, revolutionizing healthcare, or envision significant steps forward in energy production, powering our world more efficiently. Chemistry, the study of matter and its transformations, is a powerful tool. Can you imagine what we could achieve if we fully understood the magic of chemical reactions? Before we wrap up, we have a small request. If you found yourself captivated by the magic of chemical reactions, we encourage you to join us on this journey of discovery. Hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and become part of our community. Share your thoughts, insights, and questions in the comments section below. We're always eager to hear from you, and if there's a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, don't hesitate to let us know. Thanks for watching, and remember, chemistry isn't just science, it's magic. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the magic in the mundane.